If you don't want to use your own Azure OpenAI or OpenAI API key, you're welcome to purchase AI credits on the platform. Let's start by creating an organization. Use organizations to provide shared AI services to your assistants, including AI credits and integrations. Give the organization a label, such as the name of your company or team. You can add a description and logo if you wish. Open your organization's page. You can add or remove admins here if you need to. For now, click on the AI Services tab. Open the AI Credit section and click on the button to add AI credits. Select a quantity and enter your payment details to purchase AI credits. Your payment will be processed securely using Stripe. You will then see a credit balance in your organization's page. Let's head back to your assistant's page. Open the summary section and associate your assistant with the organization you just created. You can then select Cognos as the AI services provider. Open the Models section to select and test your AI services config, as we did in the Getting Started tutorial. Your assistant will now use the AI credits you purchased. Let's try it. Click on the Evaluation tab and open the Traces section to confirm your assistant is using the Cognos AI service. You'll need to refresh the trace list and then open the first record shown. The provider should be set as Cognos in the configuration row. You should also see a cost. If you go back to your organization, you will also see a record of the AI credits use.